Today I want to show you about automotive mode on the Garmin Monterra. Right now we're in recreational mode, so when we go to our map screen, this is what it's going to look like. Now I do have City Navigator maps installed on this GPS, so this is going to show you a lot more detail than you would ordinarily have out of the box, but still, this does give you an idea. What we're going to do now is change this to automotive mode, and one way you can do that is just to go up to the top of this main menu screen, this main screen, and drag down the top. We want to select where it says recreational, and when we do that, it's going to bring us to a list here, and we're going to change it to automotive. Now, when we're in automotive mode, when we go to the map, it's going to look a lot different. It looks a lot like the screen of a Nuvi, an automotive GPS that you can use for your car. So now I'm going to show you how the Monterra is going to give you turn-by-turn directions. It's only going to be able to do what I'm showing you in this video if you have City Navigator maps installed on your Monterra. If you do not, if you're just using the Monterra out of the box, you're not going to be able to do what I am showing you here today. First thing we're going to do is go to this 3-bar menu in the upper right-hand corner, and then select Routing. We want to make sure from this list when we go to Activity that it is set to automobile driving, which it is right now. Ordinarily, the first time you go here, this is going to be set to direct routing, which is only going to route us in a straight line. It's not going to give us those turn-by-turn directions, so make sure it's on automobile or whatever it is you're going to be using this for. Now we're going to go back to the main menu, open up our apps, and select Where To. Now from this screen, you can select any one of these options as your destination. You can choose from your waypoints, you can choose from your points of interest database, again that's from the City Navigator mapping that you have loaded on here. You can enter in an address if you want, so you can pick any one of these that you choose. I'm going to go with with waypoints here. There's a waypoint I want to navigate to, so I'll select that, and I want to go with the 4th one in the list, that 223 North Pecos. So now it shows that point on the map, and when I hit go, it's going to prompt me to begin the route.
In 600 feet, turn right on Southeastern Avenue.
So we have a lot of different information on this screen, just like you would see on a Nuvi.
Turn right on Southeastern Avenue.
Along the top of the screen, you have the street that you're going to be looking out for, which is Eastern Avenue. And to the left of that, you have the distance until and the direction of your next turn.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left on East Warm Springs Road.
Below that is a plus and minus sign. The plus sign will zoom you in. The minus sign will zoom you out. And in the lower left-hand corner, the default is your estimated time of arrival at your destination. If you want, you can select that icon with your finger, and you can choose that to display other information if you so choose. In the opposite corner on the right, it's going to show you your current speed, and above that it shows the posted speed limit for your area where this information is available. We also have a lot of different points of interest displayed along the side of the road. Again, this is drawing from the City Navigator map. I like to have those points of interest displayed, but you can certainly turn that off in the map settings if you so choose. You can access the trip computer by selecting your current speed, and by selecting the posted speed limit, you can actually turn that indicator on or off.
Turn left on East Warm Springs Road.
A big difference between the Montana and the Monterra is the way in which they give spoken turn-by-turn directions. With the Montana, you needed to purchase the City Navigator mapping, and you needed to buy one of these special Garmin-powered mounts. The Monterra does not require this. As long as you have City Navigator maps in your GPS, it will speak turn-by-turn directions to you, and you don't need to purchase any special mounts to get that feature. So that is a quick look at using automotive mode on the Garmin Monterra.